glad you came down here. I'm glad you came again. I appreciate it.
So shit, you getting ready to take me to my room?
Your room? Girl, you staying at my house. I ain't getting you no room.
Yo, what?
I got a show tonight. You coming? I don't care, bring that nigga with you. French fries, coleslaw. I just wanna be your side nigga. You ain't gotta run back and tell that nigga. I just wanna be your side nigga. You ain't gotta run back and tell that nigga. That nigga, I'm the other nigga. Call me your side nigga. When he don't pick up, I do what he don't do. Talk to you, look at you, looking all good. You play a nigga too good. Who you got your game from? Where you come from? Probably live in a magazine. You ever rode in a limousine? Live out dreams. I know your man don't treat you like this. That's why you call me your side nigga. But I be in the middle working overtime. But you ain't mine. Gotta get you back. Hit you from the back before you go back to your husband. Thinking about me. Why are you with him? Playing mind games. Late night playing phone games. In the DM, your man, I glad I ain't him. But I stay on the side. Your side nigga. I stay on the side. Your side nigga. Guess what? I just wanna be your side nigga. You ain't gotta run back and tell that nigga. I just wanna be your side nigga. You ain't gotta run back and tell that nigga. That nigga, I'm the other nigga. When you say you at work, but you off. When you say you at your girl house, but you at my house with your legs in the air like the antenna on the TV. Yeah, we be sneaking around, fucking around late at night, early in the morning. I know what you like. Breakfast in bed, you give me head, I give you head. Then we lay you in bed like we dead, then jump up like Kobe. Your man, he don't know me, but I know him. Fucked up, right? She'll play you right in the crazy house if you do it wrong. Hair long, next day short. Can't keep up with it, don't try. She'll make you believe a lie, fake cry. And you wonder why I'm on the side. I'ma stay on the side, guess what? I just wanna be your side nigga. You ain't gotta run back and tell that nigga. I just wanna be your side nigga. You ain't gotta run back and tell that nigga. That nigga, I'm the other nigga.
I'm not gonna hit no bank. You know, I know my limit. I sell my little bullshit weed, you know, and get cut corners. You know, I get in trouble, I get a lawyer and get on through. I ain't know,
I feel you.
I ain't know, man.
Jumping in that, damn sure putting on some bigger draw, nigga. You.
How you doing today? Everything alright?
Do you have the money?
Damn.
You could have been a flower. This the pain. This the pain in person. Used to be thigh deep in the drug game. I really took them trips, riding dirty, flying in an airplane. All I saw was the money, didn't want to see the blue lights or jail cell. Mine been through hell, should've went to college. We down south, you an alien, Israelian, financial crisis. Government, fuck government. Niggas politic themselves in the barbershop, in the trap house, in a skyscraper. In my eyes you can see the pain, in my voice you can feel the pain. The joy and pain of a hustler, hustler to hustler. The graveyard, the fed yard, the phone tap, AZ, to hit my cousin in Virginia Beach. I was like, damn, he ain't say ouch. This one for the leather seats in the canal.
Why must I chase the money? Nothing but the hustling me. Nothing but the hustling me. Why must I be like that? Why must I chase the money? Nothing but the hustling me. Nothing but the hustling me.
Now I'm heating up, no fucking up. What I'm saying to myself, looking in the bathroom mirror, I can hear a voice in the back of my head say, boy, you better not stop. Look how far you done came. This the joy and pain of a hustler. Don't forget that, back from hell, life after living. I done seen the top and the bottom, they both lonely. So many phony, I move dolo. Networking, handshaking, up late night thinking of a way out. All this fucked up shit, keep pushing, I guess. I ain't settling for less, I need that check, I need that bag, I need my space, I need my daughter and my lifetime. Don't wait for nobody, keep pushing. We down south, the rules different. I told y'all this the pain.
Why must I be like that? Why must I chase the money? Nothing but the hustling me. Nothing but the hustling me. Why must I be like that? Why must I chase the money? Nothing but the hustling me. Nothing but the hustling me.
Friday night, I'm downtown. I wonder what my brother doing in that jail cell. I wonder what he doing. I wonder what this lawyer doing. I gotta get my brother out of jail.
Something like this, the troublemaker. Go something like this, the troublemaker. Go something like this, the troublemaker. That's who I beat the R. This is how I throw bricks. When I quarterback, I let it go like Michael Vick. Enjoy mine. Something like short when I rhyme just to fuck you up. With my technique, flip yours on the concrete. So bet the car in the parking lot. You're not swift and I'm dope like a crack spot. Here we go now. The way it's supposed to be underground. That's where I hibernate. With my sound makes it hard for you to operate. When I place you in the zone like all day, all day, all day, all day, all day. Go something like this, something like this, the troublemaker. Something like this, the troublemaker. Go something like this, the troublemaker. That's who I beat the R, beat the R, beat the R. Like something like this, the troublemaker. Go something like this, the troublemaker. Something like this, the troublemaker. That's who I beat the R, beat the R, beat the R. I'm extra old school like Fila suits and 2-finger rings. Were like on the mic, I be doing my thing. When I start, I just can't stop. Yo, I rock you like Pumas when I really get hot. Jaws drop off top, cause I got it padlocked. Yes, my style is doper than a hair on spot. You know, you know, you know. Troublemaker, go something like this. Something like this, the troublemaker. Something like this, the troublemaker. Go something like this, the troublemaker. That's who I beat the R, beat the R, beat the R. Like something like this, the troublemaker. Go something like this, the troublemaker. Something like this, the troublemaker. That's who I beat the R, beat the R, beat the R. Something like this, the troublemaker. Something like this, the troublemaker. Go something like this, the troublemaker. That's who I beat the R, beat the R, beat the R. Like something like this, the troublemaker. Go something like this, the troublemaker. Go something like this, the troublemaker. That's who I beat the R, beat the R, beat the R.
I gotta do what I gotta do. I gotta do what I gotta do to get my brother out, man. Right or wrong, it don't matter.
Damn, you all up in our business, ain't it?
What they pay me for.
Mm.
Now I need you to pay me. I don't dream about getting rich. My brother dream about getting out. And you dream about getting killed? Wake up, Ray.
Slay the dragon, stop it in its tracks. When it brings this fire across the land, every person must fight it back. When the wizard speaks of oppression in the air, we make our stand in Charlottesville. When a giant storms and quakes the land, every peasant must put an axe in his hand to chop the stalk, no matter how high it grows. The hatred of man, we make our stand in Charlottesville. The monkey screams so loud, chariots crush the crowd, but the king is much too ignorant and proud to slay the serpent, tempting from the trees. This guidance burns so easy, dry souls like leaves. This land is built on illusions like a legion feeds. We make our stand in Charlottesville. We'll make our stand in Charlottesville.
Love downtown. I just love walking down here.
It's beautiful.
I love it, man. But yeah, I appreciate everything.
V8 look a little bit like this, but our buildings are just a little bit bigger.
Wow, that's crazy. I can't wait to go up there.
Yeah, right. Yes.
Crazy girl.
It's crazy, man. It's crazy.
Just like clockwork. You ready?
I'm ready, nigga.
They coming.
Let's do it.
Ricardo Part 2. The Revenge of High School. Get a drummer song, this the one you wild out to. Put your hands up too, party till they turn the lights on. The roof's on fire, the show too packed. They say I'm too black, the beat sound white. Shell to Adidas, run, run. Talk to the rap, ask them to forgive you. Come back, look me in the eyes. Tell me what you see, don't lie. I can tell when you fake cry. Drunk and high, looking high in your high school yearbook. At the dance, you ain't dance, you was spiking the punch with Bacardi. Now everybody lit, high as shit. New outfit, time of your life. Wish this night would last forever. Wish this night would last forever. Ricardo. Just the rap game, just the rap game, just the rap game. Shake up the champagne, shake up the champagne, shake up the champagne.
Mike the Crip walked it in.
Put up your hands, man. Put up your hands, man. Just the rap game.
Mike the Blunt walked it in. I don't even know.
Shake up the champagne, shake up the champagne, shake up the champagne. Put up your hands.
These roasted veggies on my plate looking like precious stones. Open my heart on the plate to let my niggas know I'm still funky for my age and that ain't on the low. Painting like Van Gogh, nah, more like Dr. Revolt. Apocalypse at a show when we get up and go. SB manufacturing factor in the studio time. My resume demands you respect my mind. The threat of their efforts combined don't measure. You see the grind to define the line between you and I, my God, it's my pleasure. These thoughts that I write reign forever. I come all the way live. Seem like they fall away when we separated. I don't recall the day, but I do remember the feeling. A whole world of emotion. My heart felt that tug and pull, that devotion I have. But in my lab, I relax, max motion, dreaming in that Cutlass Supreme. Feel like we floating.
Just the rap game, just the rap game, just the rap game. Shake up the champagne, shake up the champagne, shake up the champagne. Put up your hands, man. Put up your hands, man. Put up your hands, man. Just the rap game, just the rap game, just the rap game. Shake up the champagne, shake up the champagne, shake up the champagne. Put up your hands, man. The Killers, Guns N' Roses, Hootie and the Blowfish. Who you know flowing like this? I think I'm Jay Prince. Put enough land between me and jail. My mind been through hell. Just let me get my mama heaven on earth. She gave birth. Wish I knew how to surf. Just the opposite of making the song cry. I laugh at you rappers, scared to switch it up. Take a chance, the rapper, just the rap game. The way Cali switched up the weed game. I went to Texas, bought 100 pounds. We ain't made it out of Corpus Christo. Had to throw the pistol. Like Puff do parties, I was drinking Ciroc back in 04. When y'all thought it was a fancy bottle of water. The nerve of y'all, Ricardo Part 2. Just the rap game, just the rap game, just the rap game. Shake up the champagne, shake up the champagne, shake up the champagne. Put up your hands, man. Put up your hands, man. Put up your hands, man. Just the rap game, just the rap game, just the rap game. Shake up the champagne, shake up the champagne, shake up the champagne. Put up your hands, man.
What's going on with your brother though? I can't even talk to him. You know they got that thing with they jamming all the phones up with the prisons.
Yeah,
And the lawyer won't even.
motherfuckers over here might have something, man, you can work with. I know some cats, man. I done signed all the papers on the statement, so everything I've said.
Man, I don't even want to talk about that, man. I've got to go home tonight, man.
But it's all you think about. But it's all you think about.
Man, I know all I think, man, dude. We in this.
Whatever you need, he's gonna get it.
On the call me see what's up.
You driving or I'm driving?
No. Y'all be worrying too much. I ain't worrying about none of that. Hold on. Yeah. I start driving when we get south of the border.
Have you ever been to the South, girl? I'm talking Carolina. Have you ever been to the South, boy? I'm talking Carolina. Have you ever been to the South? I'm talking Carolina. Have you ever been to the South, girl? I'm talking Carolina. Have you ever been to the South, boy? Carolina blue kicks, hottest nigga in the game. Give them joy, give them pain. Riding down Rosewood, feeling good. Out the hood, I gotta make it. Sometimes I can't take it, but gotta keep pushing. Circle smaller, buzz bigger. My mind is sane, on the money. South Carolina, born and raised. Proud of it, my city. Stand up, fat rat told you wake up. Outcast told you get up, get out, get something. Start a business, go to school, do something different, do something cool. Don't be scared what they gon' say. They gon' say what they say anyway. Big facts. You got my back, I got your back. I support you, you support me. Let's see what happened. Music trapping. Welcome to the South, South Carolina. Have you ever been to the South, girl? I'm talking Carolina. Have you ever been to the South, boy? I'm talking Carolina. Have you ever been to the South? I'm talking Carolina. Have you ever been to the South, girl? I'm talking Carolina. Have you ever been to the South, boy? Game on cock, don't make me squeeze the mic. Them Carolina nights, them palmetto trees keep me right when everything going wrong. I've been holding on so long, my hands hurt. I work hard, James Brown, lost and found. I've been up, I've been down, up, south, down. When you asked out, looking like Prince, phone ain't ringing. Now you downtown, 5 points. Everybody happy but you bout to do something stupid. I can see it in you. Don't forget, them cameras see you too. All for a few dollars. To the South, girl? I'm talking Carolina. Have you ever been to to the South, boy? I'm talking Carolina. Have you ever been to the South? I'm talking Carolina. Have you ever been to the South, girl? I'm talking Carolina. Have you ever been to the South, boy? I'm talking Carolina. I'm talking Carolina. I'm talking Carolina. Talking Carolina.
Water just couches had better days than I thought. I was like, probably not. That's colors. All right. It's like we're the yellow. Awesome. You had me out dancing. I can't, man. You had me dancing, girl.
You was showing me the town.
I mean, you enjoy yourself though, right?
Yeah, I had fun.